If I want to read from that JSON object, then I can do so quite easily, and that's one of the benefits of JSON is that it's very easy to access, read, write, delete, change data. So let's look at how we would read from that object. Okay, so you can see here I've got the same JSON object that we created before, and it's that phone book with first name, last name, phone, pets is married. So let's say I want to display the first name of that person in that phone book. So the way I would do that, let's just comment this out for right now. And instead, I'm going to say empty.innerText equals, and then let's say I want to make the inner text of this that first name. So I would use my JS phone, that's that phone book variable, and then I use a dot, and what you'll see here is that my IDE pops up all of the members or the rest of the keys that are inside that that object. So if I want to show his first name, I'm just going to type fname. So I'm using jsphone.fname, and when I save that, you can see this updates and it'll show that. I can just as easily type lname, right, and get his last name. But here's a even cooler thing when I've got an embedded object like this inside phone. So I've got JS phone and then phone. Let's say I want to get that office phone number to show. It's amazingly easy. All I do is JS phone dot phone, right, dot office. And that's it. When I save that, that office number pops right up. So accessing those things is amazingly easy using that dot notation. So that is how you grab information from a JSON object.